Welcome to IT Nectar. In this simple video tutorial today, I am going to discuss some of the basic principles for generic coding that we use in our web project for efficient working. Alright, here I have nothing but a parent div of named with box wrapper, and I have given three divs, three child elements inside, and I have given some of the styling of this, and you can see its output on browser. I have three divs of different colors. Alright, since all the divs are block level elements, so that's why they are not coming in front of each other and they are occupying complete width of viewport. If we want to make them flex, and we want that all of the three divs are named with different box A, box B or box C somewhat come in front of each other, so we can, but how? Simply target the parent element, and after targeting it, we just simply have to give it a property of display of flex. After this, you can see that all the elements are now in front of each other. Alright, let's say again box wrapper section. Copy these two divs, paste them. Alright, now as you can see that we have two parent elements, first name with box wrapper and other named with box wrapper section. Box wrapper is being targeted in CSS file, and after giving it display flex, all of the childs are in front of each other. And we need the same behavior with box wrapper section. Again, we have to target this div here, and after targeting, again giving it display of flex, and now we are good to go. But it's not the proper approach that every time if we need the child elements to come in front of each other, we have to simply target the parent element and then give it the property display flex every time. So it's not the proper approach. So what we will going to do, I'm just simply commenting them. You can see that all of the childs are now stacking over each other. So we will make a simple generic class of d flex. Alright, name should be anything, and we give it the property of display of flex. Nothing will happen. Now every parent that whose childs need to be come in front of each other, we just simply have to add this class, the class of dflex, to the parent. Right now none of the child is in front of each other. Alright, we just simply target the class dflex, copy it, now come to box wrapper, give the class of dflex. Now all the childs of this parent element now are in front of each other. The beautiful part is, if we want to make box wrapper section, all of the childs should come in front of each other, we can by simply just adding this class to this parent element. Here is the beauty, that we are writing the class once and using it over and over as many times as we need. Stay tuned for more videos.